Little storyteller.
Leo was a cheerful little boy, with bright, curious eyes, and a mop of sunny yellow hair. His best friend was his shadow, who followed him everywhere. One sunny morning, Leo noticed something amazing. His shadow was pretending to stir a pot. Leo giggled as his shadow mimicked his movements, but then the shadow started doing things on its own. It whisked and chopped, and soon a long wiggly shadow spaghetti appeared on the sunny kitchen floor. It looked just like real spaghetti. Next, the shadow made a tall, round shadow cake with swirly shadow frosting. It looked so yummy. Leo reached out to touch it, but his hand went right through. The shadow food looked real, but it had no taste and no feel. Leo had a wonderful idea. He grabbed a bright red apple from the fruit bowl. "Shadow," he said gently, "can you make a real apple?" His shadow wiggled, but it only made a flat, dark shape of an apple on the floor. Leo decided to show his shadow how to make a real snack. He took out a soft yellow banana. "First," Leo said slowly, "you peel it like this." He carefully peeled the banana. His shadow tried to copy him, its dark fingers wiggling clumsily. Leo smiled and helped his shadow. He guided his own hand, and the shadow's hand followed. Together they peeled the banana. Then Leo showed his shadow how to take a bite. He chewed happily. The shadow just stayed still. Leo kept trying. He showed his shadow how to stir pancake batter, how to spread butter on toast, and even how to sprinkle cinnamon on oatmeal. His shadow watched and copied his movements. It was learning. One afternoon, Leo and his shadow made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich together. Leo spread the peanut butter, and his shadow carefully spread the jelly. They put the slices of bread together and cut it in half. Leo took a big bite of his sandwich. It was yummy. He looked at his shadow, who just smiled its flat, dark smile. Leo knew his shadow couldn't taste the sandwich, but it had helped make it. That was special. From that day on, Leo and his shadow cooked together all the time. The shadow still made amazing shadow food that looked real, but now it could also help Leo make real food too. Cooking together was their favorite thing to do. It taught Leo that even though his shadow was different, they could still have fun and create something wonderful together. Plus, Leo learned that helping someone, even if they can't do everything themselves, is a great way to be a good friend.
Please subscribe. Thank you.